everybody, and welcome to Astronomy 20. This is just a very basic introductory video that is gonna be like as if it's an orientation video, and I want you to maybe to be able to navigate this course easily. I like to welcome every one of you, and I hope that you are going to enjoy this class. My name is Asma Saeed. I am the instructor for this course, and I hope that we are going to enjoy this trip together. The first thing I want you to look is here, start here, where we should be able to access the two assignments that you will do so that you will avoid dropping by not as no show. Okay, then this is a syllabus quiz. It is based on the syllabus, and this one here, it is an introductory discussion that this is gonna be general, like for the whole class. All the other discussions, they're gonna be in groups, but this one is gonna be for the whole class. And then you are going to, I will say, post 5 pictures with a brief description on how really, these pictures are related to you. Please avoid using any Google documents or any pages, okay, because this will not work. Okay, then I will say for all assignments. All right, and now let's go back to modules here, where of course this is the syllabus. You will be able to access the syllabus and read it from here. The syllabus, it is talking about the course and how it is designed and what are really the assignments that we are going to do. This class is going to be completely online. There is no synchronous meetings between me and you. We can actually have 2 office hours during the whole semester. If you are interested, then please let me know. Now, I will say the best way here to communicate with me is using the Canvas, which the Canvas, which is called message system, because this is gonna tell me where you are, from which course you are. This is the inbox here. We're going to have mainly these assignments, discussion boards. Discussion boards, they are going to be related to the chapters. Every discussion board is going to be about 1 question related to the chapter. Most of the time, if it is related to scientific information, you should have that information correct. For example, when I will talk about gravity, you cannot give me a misconception or like give me an answer that violates the correct of, let's say, laws or ideas. Now, every time we are going to have to have a discussion, that discussion is going to be due by Wednesday, and there is a reply that is going to be due by Friday. If you miss the one on Wednesday, you will lose all the 10 points, okay? But if you posted on by Wednesday and then you forgot to have the reply, then you are going to get 3 points. 7 points, sorry, you're gonna lose 3 points. But also, I will say there is a rubric that I want you to look at it and find out what is really gonna define the good discussion, okay? Because if your discussion will not satisfy that rubric, then you might lose more points. There are reading quizzes, And these are really, again, 20%. They are timed, okay? And I will say you can attempt any quiz 2 times, but the average of the two is gonna be given to you. Then it's not like, okay, don't start by having, like looking at the questions and then not answering, then you're gonna get a 0, and then maybe on the second attempt you're gonna get 10, then it's gonna be like 5, I will say 5 out of 10. There is a midterm exam is going to be on the first 8 chapters. This one has 1 attempt. All of the questions are really multiple choice. And that is, again, 20%. There is an observation sheet, and that observation sheet is going to be about observing the moon. Then I will, post these instructions very early, week 4. And that because we need to have it completed in like 29 days, almost a month. Okay, ranking tasks, these are really something that maybe you're gonna find it a little bit difficult, but it is related to you have let's say gravity, we have like moon phases, we have motion of the sky. You're going to have set of questions, and you're gonna answer them based on the correct ranking. Finally, we have a final exam that is gonna be also 20%. All right, this is how you will be graded. And just I will say these maybe the most important points we have here in the calendar. The calendar is gonna show you, for example, here, forget about this here. This is gonna show you for the course, like, okay, I can show it, of course, for like for me, like it's gonna show more courses. But for example, here, to avoid dropping by no show, you should complete these 2 by 14. The discussion is gonna be start by 15, but you have until 17 to reply, which is Friday, and there is a quiz. All right. I think this is mostly what I want to say about the course. And you are going to find, for example, for every chapter that I'm gonna have, okay, chapter 1 we don't have assignments, but it's good to read it. I'm gonna start with chapter 2. What is my chapter 2? Why chapter 2 is not there? I posted chapter 3 and I forgot about 2. 2 is not, okay, then here I will leave this, and this is chapter 2 is not, the chapter 2 is not posted. It should be chapter 3, not yet. Okay, then I will say chapter 2 is now what we are going to start with. Okay, thank you very much, and don't hesitate to contact me anytime you're gonna have questions related to the course. Thank you and have a great day.